NEET hearing is currently underway in the top court. Big information coming in on petitioners raising concerns over Judger grace marks. Issue of grace marks and Canara Bank paper has been raised. India Today expose had unmasked the issue. The petitioner says NTA failed to clarify on the Judger episode. In fact, India Today expose showed how paper was leaked. And let me cut across to Kanu Sharda to give us more specifics on this. Kanu, please give us more on the petitioner, particularly raising India Today's expose, saying the NTA has really failed to clarify on the Judger episode. What more do we know on that? Give us more.
Well, Nabila, the Supreme Court has risen up for the lunch. The hearing is expected to resume at 2 p.m. now. But as far as the India Today expose is concerned, the petitioners have raised that a center from Judge Hardyal Singh Center has 7 students there securing the full marks. How is that happened? So CJI has categorically asked the NTA to inform them as to how many students have secured full marks from all the across India, which centers, and when the window was open for the students to change their cities. So how many students have changed, and how many students have actually made it to the 108,000 seats of the medical seat that are available in India. So CJI has put out clear questions for the NTA for the clarity, because he has said that he wants to go through the entire evidence and then only form a view whether to order a retest or not. So very importantly, the NTA has to give a lot of details to the Chief Justice of India, who has asked them not only to give the breakup of all the centers in which the students have secured the full marks, and how these students have fared, how many students have changed their centers, changed their cities, and the petitioners have also alleged that some students, after allotting centers in the second window when it was opened, they have opted for change of language also. So in this case, we're talking about the cheating which has happened in the Godhra city. So the petitioners have highlighted that how the students have opted, Hindi-speaking students have opted for writing the exam in Gujarati. So Chief Justice of India has sought now a reply from the NTA at 2 p.m. as to how they have allowed these students and how many of these students, because as per NTA, 15,000 students have requested for the change of center at when the window was opened in March. So Chief Justice of India wanted to ask that as to how many students have actually made it to the cutoff mark and to the 108,000 seats which are available in India for the medical students. So NTA has to give all these data to the Supreme Court at 2 p.m. When the hearing is likely to be resumed.
Okay, so Kanu, the hearing is underway right now, or does it begin at 2 p.m.? Give us some clarity on that. By what time is likely the verdict to be out? And will there be arguments, or is it just going to be a plain verdict?
Well, Nabila, the bench has risen for the lunch as we speak. It will resume the hearing at 2 p.m. Whatever the order will be, there is going to be an interim order today. This is what the Chief Justice of India has made it very, very clear at the beginning of the matter only. He has, discharged all his other cases which are listed before him, and he's only hearing the NEET matter. He has a habit of organizing and disposing of the cases at a higher speed. So he might issue interim measures whether to reconduct NEET or not. This would be clear at 2 p.m. when the NTA is going to submit the data as to how many students have actually changed the centers and how many students have actually made to the 108,000 medical seats slot. So this is all depends on the data. If Chief Justice of India feels that the data is a problem, then we are heading for a retest definitely. But yes, if the data speaks Elsewise, retest is not an option. This is what the center as NTA has said, that we the rise in marks and of some students is only because of the reduction of the syllabus by 25%.
So of course, all angles that need to be seen. Importantly, you have petitioners, many of them asking for a re-exam. You have that many more petitioners asking against a re-exam, basically that they don't want to write the examinations again. So court has to see both sides, and it will be a very measured verdict. We're going to await that at 2 p.m. Kanu Sharda will be tracking that for us. Now, the CBI has, in the meanwhile, busted a solver gang in Patna. 3 doctors from Patna AIIMS have been arrested. 4 students were detained for questioning. Now, these medical students from the 2021 batch allegedly assisted in leaking NEET exam papers. The CBI has now sealed the rooms of the accused doctors, seized laptops and mobile phones as part of the investigation. Modus operandi of the NEET paper leak involved Pankaj, one of the accused, who stole papers from transport trucks. Asanul Haq, the principal of Oasis School, allegedly facilitated that leak, while Sanjeev Mukhia acted as the intermediary. Now, the mastermind behind the operation, known as Rocky, orchestrated the entire scam with the help of Patna AIIMS doctors, who solved the papers for aspiring candidates. Remember, this scandal has rocked the medical community and aspiring doctors, raising serious questions about the integrity of the NEET examination process.
सर, सीबीआई कब यहाँ आई और किनको यहाँ से लेकर के गई, क्या जानकारी आपके पास?
हम राउंड ले रहे थे, उसी समय सीबीआई का टीम आए और आके हमारे एक स्टूडेंट को लेके गए। ये स्टूडेंट को लेके जाने से पहले हमें उनका एक वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ने स्टूडेंट का नाम, स्टूडेंट का जो छवि, वो उनका पिक्चर, फोटो हमारा व्हाट्सएप में भेजे थे। तो ये 3:30 बजे लेके गए। उसके बाद उनका और एक वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ने हमें कांटेक्ट किए और 3 स्टूडेंट का नाम और उनका फोटो भी हमारे व्हाट्सएप में भेजे और इन्होंने बोले कि आप कोशिश कीजिए जैसे कि स्टूडेंट को आप हैंड ओवर जल्दी आसानी से कर दीजिए। उसके बाद में हमारा स्टूडेंट का जो है डीन स्टूडेंट अफेयर्स, इनको मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया। हमारा हॉस्टल वार्डन को भी, मैं चीफ वार्डन जो है इनको भी बोला, और डीन एकेडमिक और मेरा OSDS जाके उनको सब मदद किए, उनके साथ कोऑपरेट किए। और स्टूडेंट भी, जो उनका प्रेसिडेंट है, वो भी हमारे साथ आए। ये जाके जो स्टूडेंट और 2 स्टूडेंट को वो आइडेंटिफाई किए और वो लेके गए। उसके बाद और एक स्टूडेंट उसी समय कमरे में नहीं थे। उसके बाद स्टूडेंट जाके इनको खुद रिपोर्ट किया।